Hi, this is Patty Jackson. On this edition of Patty TV, yeah, we're back in 2012. We're the founder of Philadanco, Joan Myers Brown. She is joining us. She is the subject of a fabulous book, Joan Myers Brown and the Audacious Hope of the Black Ballerina. Brenda Dixon Godchill wrote this book. There's a huge book signing happening at the African American Museum Monday, 6 until 8. Joan Myers Brown is joining us. How did you feel when you first approached that this book, a lot of it based on you, your experiences, your life, how did that feel?
Well, you know, it really felt good because, as I said, more people write about you when you're dead. So I wanted it to happen while I was alive. So, and I get the chance to share it with my children and my students, and it's really a great honor.
Well, I'm telling you, are an institution here in the city. I mean, you're known all over, but here in the city, definitely our treasure. This book signing is happening at the African American Museum on Monday, 6 until 8. What did you want people to get out of this as sharing your experiences?
Well, I think mainly what I wanted them to know that Philadelphia has a long history of culture in our city, and that I'm just part of it, and that it has to continue.
Now, the author has written several other books on dance.
Yes, she has a book called The Black Dancing Body. She has a book called The Coon, and she has several books, and she writes for Dance Magazine, so she's quite an author, and I'm just honored that she selected me.
Wow. You can meet the author. You can meet Joan Myers Brown. They're going to be at the African American Museum, teaming up with the Literary Cafe, 6 until 8. It's free. We're encouraging students of dance right now, past students that Joan Myers Brown has had, to come on out and celebrate a great person. She's so bright. A lot of people want to write about you when you're no longer here. She is here. She is our treasure. You'll want to get this book. Come out to the book signing at the African American Museum, 7th and Arch, teaming up with the Literary Cafe. Joan Myers Brown. And before we go, we've got two big events that are taking place with Philadanco this year. Rennie Harris,
and of course, the
Sophia.
Sound of Philadelphia.
Philadelphia.
Gamble and Hope. We have a ballet choreographed to their music as a tribute to them.
Yes, and this is the second time you're honoring Gamble and Hope.
Right.
So this is going to be good. We look forward to being with Philadanco this year, celebrating Monday, the African American Museum, 7th and Arch. Get this book, meet the fabulous woman, and learn about dance.